Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. So yeah, let's see what's really happening. Yesterday, actually, the market was just consolidating or ranging. Why? It was because day before that, actually on Monday, no, on Tuesday, there was CPI which favored the dollar, and the dollar was very, very strong. But after that, obviously, the market was still deciding which direction to take. Plus, next week we have interest rates. That also is the biggest event that we can have, actually, especially this month. And since the inflation was actually higher last month, obviously, which is going to signal that the inflation is going to go up. So the interest rate is going to go up, maybe aggressively. So now it means people, they are like thinking twice about buying the stocks. You see, so that's why maybe at the end of the day, we might see the market consolidating. You see, so if you understand that, you will see, you won't be surprised when you see NASDAQ, US30, everything actually consolidating. So I hope you see that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's see. Oh, before we do that, let's go to the break, because you know what? We need to eat. Traders Central sponsors this video or stream. Traders Central provides funding for traders and recently introduced a pop-up shop on their platform that allows you to purchase packs like to skip stage 1 or 2 on your challenge, 50% commission reduction, a deeper drawdown percentage. Sign up now using the link in the description to get up to 30% off on your first plan and enjoy the pop-up shop. Okay, thank you for that. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, and again, later on, we go before the market opens, just know that we're gonna go on our live session, right? So on our live session, actually, we trade NASDAQ, US30s, and stuff like that. But if you want to be part of the team, I hope you show the package, the service package service or whatever that I offer. I think you saw that. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? I think this should be on the right side. So you can see that, yes, actually the market is still like seriously respecting our downtrend. The market is still seriously respecting that. And we thought maybe the market was about to break this area. Guess what? The market pushed, that resistance pushed the market lower and lower. And yeah, we're still expecting actually to sell. You can see that this is a daily time frame. So let's check this on 4 hours time frame, much better time frame actually to use. So you can see that, yes, around this area, the market actually respected that resistance. Very, very nice actually. So now we're expecting to say what? If the market goes below that support, what are we going to do? What we're going to actually sell. If the candlesticks goes below this area, you see that area? Let me zoom that. I hope you see that. So if the market keeps pushing lower, we're gonna say if maybe it goes below that, then we can do what? We can sell. We can sell if the market does that. But let me show you something like this. It's gonna be something like that. I'm not saying do that, but it's going to be something like that. And the market might keep pushing lower, and which means this is the like serious sell-off that we ever seen for quite some time now. Or maybe the market will decide otherwise and maybe break this resistance and start to push to the upside. That is also possible. We're not just saying that the market will just go down without even recovering. So this week's actually weeks like this, they are very difficult, especially when it's after or before major economic news. The market won't respect most of the supports or the resistance, whatever that we have. Mostly the market will just go up and down and very fast, you see. So it's not really safe to trade around this time. But guess what? If maybe we see any opportunity, we just need to take that. So what's really happening? What's really happening on German 40, German 30? Yes, we are still on that downtrend. If we go closer, you will see that the market is creating some structures, which at the end of the day, the market is going to confuse you. The market was consolidating here, pushed up. Actually, we can't say it touched the resistance, but the resistance was very, very close around that area. Then the market came back where it broke out actually, but it seems like the market wants to do what? To push the upside. And we can't just say let's buy. No, as we are actually on a downtrend. So there's a chance for the market to just push lower. It's better for us to wait for the market to reach this area, or maybe to break this support. Then we can continue selling as the trend is actually a downtrend. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be fast because I'm also late, by the way, very, very late. So what's really happening? We are on gold on a very nice downtrend. You can see that. If we go closer, because I can't just go back, obviously I did the daily analysis yesterday, actually every day, Monday to Friday, also on Sundays as weekly analysis. If you did check that, you will see that most of the stuff did not actually change that much. So on gold, we also see that yes, the market is actually doing what? Actually on this downtrending. And you know what? The market is giving us this type of a move. So for us to say we're gonna sell, we're gonna wait for the market to reach this area, then we're gonna sell. Or if the market goes below this support, we're gonna continue selling. Why are we talking about the sell only? Because we are on a downtrend. So now I like the fact that the market just broke out of that support area, and since we are downtrending, I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower. It might not happen now, but we know that later on the market might keep pushing lower and lower and lower and lower. And now actually US session is not now, actually in few hours. Then we're gonna see when the US session comes around, then the market might start to move very, very, very quick, or we can see the volatility around that time. So what's really happening on US oil? US oil is still actually on that downtrend, but since the market actually reached the lowest levels around this area, we see that the market is trying to push to the upside. Maybe it will reach this resistance before pushing lower, or maybe it can just create anything. I see there's an area that like a support there. Yes, the market can still respect that and still push lower. Actually, the market is dominating. The momentum is actually going down. So that's why sometimes it's not safe just to buy, especially on a downtrend, because the market can just change anything very quick and keep going lower and lower. So if maybe we are on a downtrend, just find an area where you can easily sell, not buy. Simple as that. So yeah, I'm expecting the market maybe to keep pushing up a little bit before we see a sell. But I see something there. Let's say for those who wants to sell now, if they want to sell now, we can say why not wait for a breakout around this area? If maybe you want to sell, you can say, okay, just because the market is pushing up, maybe if the market breaks this area, I will say maybe the market is back on that selling spree, or maybe the market wants to test our resistance before we can say we can sell, or there's a possibility for the market to get out actually and maybe to break this resistance. You see this resistance here, then and to push the upside. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. The next one is actually US30. What's really happening? On a very nice downtrend. We are on a very nice downtrend. Whatever that we have here as a buy, that it's a just hit and run. It's not like maybe it's a swing trade or something. We can buy here and get out very quickly. And since this signal was sent actually yesterday, you can easily see that the market did not actually do anything. The market did not actually buy or do something. The market was just consolidating. Since yesterday, you can see the market was here. This is just consolidation. So it's not really safe for for us to be in the market. The reason is, I tried to explain that several times. So if you did not listen, then that's your problem. So we are on this support. That doesn't automatically mean we're supposed to buy because we are on a downtrend. But yes, we can just hit and run until maybe the market reaches this area as a resistance. Maybe the market will continue. Let's say maybe the market will do something like that, going down. or there is a chance for the market to break this area and push the upside. Or another option is, if the market breaks this support, we're gonna say, okay, it's our time to do what? To sell. But I think something will change. I just think maybe next week, as next week we have like a interest rate, I think maybe the market can still sell then after the market pushes like aggressively high. That is also possible because the market has been selling, by the way, but there's still a room, little room. Maybe we can say, if maybe we see a sell, if we see a sell, maybe the market can reach these areas. Let me see those areas. Let's say 30,000, around this 30,000 area here, around this zone. It's where maybe if the market keeps pushing lower, maybe the market might reach there and start to push the upside. The best thing that you can do is to not to fight the market, because you can't always be right. You can't always be on the right side of the market. So it means you have to always manage your risk. Make sure that your risk management is like tight, so that you don't actually lose much. So NASDAQ. Also, NASDAQ is quite similar to what we saw actually on US30. The market is not actually moving that much since yesterday. But since we saw that sell, we can just say something like that. It's not really perfect, but we can just say something like that. So, which means we are on a very nice sell, actually downtrend, but we have a support area around this area. Do you see that? This support area means that we have a level where the market is respecting. So there is a chance for the market to push up, or maybe a chance for the market to break that. And if the market breaks that, it means we can take what? We can take that sell. But for a buy, it's a bit complicated because the market is still on that downtrend. So if maybe we want to buy, is that buy where we buy, then we get out very quick. We buy, we get out very quick. Do you get the point? So, or maybe the market will just push up, maybe respect this area until, or maybe the market will create this wedge continuing like that, maybe until we see a breakout to the upside, or maybe to the lower side. But the biggest thing that is going to happen actually next week, those news, they're going to tell us a bigger story, or the bigger picture actually. Then we will take that direction, whether up or down, but we don't really have to guess. We will see what's really happening. So I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, I think you can just smash that subscribe button. Then we'll see each other like later, before the market opens, around 2:02, 2:30, around that area. Around that time, then we will see what we can do. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.